Are they just watching him? He's over on the first appearance calendar. Let me go see.
Yeah, we'll get started momentarily. We have a Zoom call up. Good morning. I'm sorry. I didn't know if there was anything preliminary about it. I'm just going to get a minute to get on the Zoom. I'm sorry. I should be walking. I didn't. No, I'm walking. No, bro. No, you gotta check. No, bro. You gotta check. No, we're in it together. I got it right here.
Thank you. Just let me know when you're ready, Judge, okay?
Okay. I will. We're definitely sure. Maybe we should. Do we need to? Maybe we can just pose. I'm sure no one else will love that.
All right, we're gonna advance. She's like, "Oh, you are you the inmate that ran off from Louisiana?"
No, brother. No, you gotta check.
Girl, if he could sweet talk one of the guards, baby, Atlanta would have a problem. Okay?
Could I ask you, good morning. Before we start anything, is there anything that you need to bring up regarding Mr. Groves?
No.
Okay. Let me sign up to the Zoom call. We're going to get started momentarily.
It's a term of the
Oh, I'm sorry.
no problem. We actually get that a lot.
Sorry.
No problem.
You guys, we'll go back to the closing arguments. It might be a minute before his arraignment starts. But it seems like there's a full press situation going on. Not to mention whoever he's sitting with, whatever judge, is talking about opening up a Zoom. So I don't know if that Zoom is on YouTube or not. If you guys want to keep an eye on this, we can. A body's getting ready to start back. Obviously, the break was longer than 5 minutes. If you guys want to stick with this, we can. And then we can flip back to the closing. I will definitely put this up as a standalone. But I'm not sure how much longer they're going to take. And, you know, Raymond's, oh, here we go. He's standing up now. Look, he's over here smiling at the sheriff deputy. Hold on. Okay, here we go.
So my understanding, and so do we have Derrick Groves?
Yeah, he's right here.
If you could come up, sir. I'm right here. Have a seat, if you don't mind. Good
And this
morning.
one or the green one?
So, sir, I'm Judge Wolf. This is your extradition. I'm going to go over your rights so you can decide whether you want to waive extradition or not. You're wanted out of the state of Louisiana for aggravated escape. I'm going to explain to you first what happens if you decide to have an extradition hearing, then what will happen if you decide not to have one. So you have the right to an extradition hearing if you choose. You have the right to hire an attorney to prepare for and conduct that hearing. If that's your choice, I will postpone the hearing for a reasonable time, 60 to 90 days, for you to obtain counsel. The law does not give you the right to a public defender or appointed attorney for purposes of extradition. If you choose to have the hearing, I will reset your case 60 to 90 days to allow your attorney to prepare for the hearing. At the hearing, there'll be 3 issues. Are you the person named in the warrant? Did the governor of Louisiana sign the warrant? And what you're charged with in Louisiana, is that a crime in that state? I cannot consider your guilt, innocence, the merits of the case, or evidence connected with the underlying case. If after the hearing I determine that the requesting state, Louisiana, has met its burden of showing those 3 things, then they would have approximately 15 business days to pick you up. If they don't, then you'd be brought back before me and I would consider releasing you. If after the hearing I were to find that Louisiana failed to prove those 3 things, then you would be released. You also have the right to waive or not have that extradition hearing if you choose. If you waive your hearing, then Louisiana has approximately 15 business days from today to come get you. If they don't, then you'd be brought back before me and I would consider releasing you. However, you may be held up to 30 days before being released. Regardless whether you're released in Georgia, you are subject to arrest again at any time as long as this Louisiana warrant remains active. So even if you are released, you may wish to consider returning to Louisiana to have the matter resolved. Also, the media is here. I want to let you know they filed the appropriate paperwork. It's called Rule 11, and that was signed by one of our judges, our chief judge, and so they are here as well. You also have the right to remain silent. So let me just ask though, do you have any questions about your extradition rights? No. And do you want to challenge extradition or do you want to return to Louisiana?
I want to return where I'm from.
You want to go back to Louisiana?
Yeah.
Okay. So I do find you freely, voluntarily, and knowingly are waiving your extradition rights. I'm going to sign the paperwork, and that's all we're going to do here today. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so they got 15 days to go ahead and bring him back to Louisiana. The closing was on a 5-minute break, but a 5-minute break turned to a 15-minute break. But he just waived extradition, so he could have bought himself a little bit of time in Fulton County, but I guess he sees. Can I get back to Tammany Parish jail, please? He wants to go right back to Tammany Parish. Okay. So that's it. That's all.
Okay.
He said he wants to go back
in terms
where
of
he's
anybody who
from.
has an interest in the Groves matter, That's all we're going to do for today. I thank everybody.
Okay. I guess that's it. All right. That's it, y'all.